We would be fooling ourselves if we expect ANC to clean itself. Also might be serious to say he wants to end corruption, but the indications on the ground are that his own people are not listening to him. They are continuing to loot.
Uthi uNjengele Holomisa isisombululo kukususa urhulumente okhokhelwa yi-ANC elulawulweni, kufakwe urhulumente wethutyana obandakanya amatshantliziyo wemibutho engekho phantsi karhulumente kwakunye neejaji ezidla umhlala-phantsi. Kodwa i-ANC ikhabele kude loo ngcamango.
The country is the constitution of the Republic of South Africa, but the ANC must still stand above other political parties. And when society criticizes us, I don't want to come as an arrogant person.
Namanye amaqela aphikisayo athi ezi mbono zikaHolomisa ziyakhabana nomgaqo-siseko.
To suggest what is being suggested will be totally out of sync with a constitution that we hold so dear to all our hearts as South Africans.
We also know that the ANC would refuse to step down because they know that once they do that, they will have to be arrested.
Unfortunately, the proposal from Mr. Bantu Holomisa is not practical. South Africa is a constitutional democracy, and that does not provide for his proposal.
We will propose that we must have a government of national unity made up of all political parties represented in parliament.
Umgaqo-siseko uyalinika ipalamente igunya lokususa urhulumente esihlalweni xa athe amalungu wepalamente angama-200 anomvo asixhasa eso siphakamiso sokuphelelwa intembeko kumongameli nekhabinethi yakhe. Vuyani Green, weendaba ze-SABC, ePalamente Kapa.